shops only open on weekends now.
Get off tree, you know. No, sir. I'm playing.
Beautiful view of the beach. I think there's a good spot here to have a sit down, presented by Gareth and Winnie Hughes in 2010.
The birds have had a bit of a go.
That's the view over to Llansteffan. Tide's coming in slowly. And guess what? Worm's Head, you can see Worm's Head again.
Yeah, quite clear.
Good. The last couple we started chatting to. It's a view, innit?
Yeah.
There's another bench over there now. Don't remember that being it.
Tide must be full in now.
Right at the top then.
Yeah.
It's the end of Pendine Beach. So guys, we're now on the bench at the top of Wharley Point in Llansteffan, and we're looking out. Over there you can see the end of Pendine Beach, and beyond it there is Caldey Island, sitting just off Tenby. And on the other side you've got Worm's Head off the Gower. There's the Gower Peninsula, and there we have the end of Cefn Cidan Beach, that patch of sand where we were yesterday. And then right over on the far left, the Gwendraeth River goes into Kidwelly, and that on the corner there is the campsite St Ishmael's.
Fishing, is it?
Yeah, I think so. Turning around.
This proof of the way it was dragging me.
Someone's having a break. East Hendy Farm.
Oh, bloody flies. Go away.
So the horse box is gone. Well, it wasn't a horse box, is it? It was converted horse box.
And we'll come another day in the morning, nice and early for us to okay?
Back to the croft sign.